question number 5 is find the transpose of each of the following matrices. We have the matrices A, B, C, D, E and F, and we need to find the transpose of all these matrices. Okay. The first matrix is matrix A, 0, 1 and negative 2. The first row is 0. Okay, pick it and place it at the position of the first column. Similarly, pick the second row and place it at the position of the second column. Then pick the third row and place it at the position of the third column. Okay, then after this, the matrix that we obtained is called the transpose of matrix A. So this is the way how we find the transpose of the matrices. As a second example, consider the matrix B. It has only one row. Okay, so pick this row and place it at the position of the first column. Okay, as there are no other rows, so this procedure will obviously end here, and this is all we have to do to find the transpose of the matrix B. Now matrix C, the first row is 1, 2, second is 2 and negative 1, and the third row is 3 and 0. So what we need to do is we pick the first row, okay, and place it at the position of the first column. Similarly, pick the second row, okay, here it is, and place it at the position of the second column. Similarly, pick the third row and place it at the position of the third column. And in this way, when we are done with all the rows, what we get is called the transpose of the matrix C. Similarly, for matrix D, we repeat the same procedure to get its transpose. For matrix E, that is also same as above. Okay, and matrix F, this is also same as above. The same procedure will be followed to find the transpose of the matrix. Okay, the next question is question number 6. Question number 6 is verify that. Verify means you need to prove that or to show that if A is equal to 1, 2, 0, 1, matrix A is given to us, matrix B is given to us. These are two matrices, and we need to show that number 1, the first part is what we need to show is that A transpose whole transpose is equal to A. And in the second part, we are going to do the same thing with matrix B. We have to show that B transpose whole transpose. What is B transpose whole transpose? Means that we have to find the transpose of matrix B first, and then once again we are going to repeat the same procedure and find the transpose of B transpose. So we have to find the transpose 2 times or the double transpose, and we need to show that this is always equal to the same matrix B. So if we take the transpose of matrix B twice, we get the same matrix B. This is what we need to show here. For the first part, this is matrix A, 1, 2, 0, 1. It is given to us. Matrix B is also given to us. For the first part, we need to find the double transpose of the matrix A. A transpose whole transpose means you have to find the transpose of A transpose, and need to show that this is always equal to A. We need to show this. Matrix A, 1, 2, 0, 1. This is matrix A, 1, 2, 0, 1. In order to find its transpose, we have to replace the first row with the first column and then pick the second row and place it at the position of the second column. We have replaced the rows with the column. We obtained the A transpose. In order to find its double transpose, we need to find A transpose. Whole transpose means we have to find the transpose of A transpose. This is the matrix A transpose, and to find its double transpose, we will take its transpose of this matrix. Okay, so A transpose, in order to take its transpose again, what we will do is we will replace the first row of this matrix. Okay, we will pick the first row and place it at the position of the first column. Similarly, once again we are going to pick the second row and place it at the position of the second column. So this is what we have done, is we have taken the transpose of A transpose. Okay, we have transpose of this matrix, we have taken the transpose of this matrix, and we obtained the matrix 1 2 0 1. Now comparing equation 1 and 2, if you compare them, we have obtained the same matrix. Okay, we have taken A. First we took A, found its transpose, and then we took A transpose, and once again we found the transpose of A transpose. So what we got in return is, from 1 and 2, what result do we have? That taking the double transpose of a matrix results in the same identical matrix. Okay, in the second part we are going to repeat the same procedure with the matrix B. Take matrix B, okay, find its transpose, done. Then once again take the transpose of both the sides, transpose of B transpose. This is B transpose. Taking its transpose will give us this matrix. Now comparing this matrix that we have obtained by taking the double transpose with the original matrix, we observe that both are equal. It means that when we take the transpose of a matrix twice, we get the same matrix in the result. And this is what we had to verify in this equations. Okay.